outside. Hey, where'd you go? Oh. Alright, so now we're outside. We're going to load this puppy up. We got the Orbeez ready. We got the battery charged and a magazine. We got the safety glasses that we definitely have to put on in order to use this, guys. Always wear safety protectors. Boo-boo, this is the first thing you have to do when you want to use this gun, okay?
Okay.
You have to put on safety protection, and I have to be here watching you, okay? You can't use it without me, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so here we go. Let's go load it up and try it out. Alright, guys, so I'm going to load this puppy up with some Orbeez right now. I like this little thing that they sent us. Okay, Robbie, come here.
So we're going to put it in.
This thing comes off like that. Okay?
But we need to save some Orbeez.
We need to take some of the water out. So we're taking some of the water out. Okay, we don't want any of that water. Shake it so all the water comes out. Okay. Alright, so now that we loaded this all the way up with Orbeez.
That has a lot of germs in it.
Yes, it has a lot of germs in it. Now we have the battery.
That's a huge battery.
And the gun.
It's bigger than the black one's battery. Right?
I forgot to take allergy medicine. Oh my God.
Wait, Dada, are these your ones that protect you?
Mm-hmm.
These are mine that protect my food.
That connects right in there. Okay. Probably gonna need an adult to help you with this one at all times.
Because that one.
But the battery goes all the way up.
Because that one can explode.
Not really.
Well, the black one can. And the black one is like real. Did we get the gold one?
No. Sorry, bud.
The gold one?
Okay, but see right here, we gotta make sure the battery's all the way up. And then we do that. Just put that there. Okay.
Did you get the gold one?
Okay, she's ready to go. See, it's on safety. It can't shoot, so it's safe. That's the way you always have to have a gun on, okay? Not until you're ready to shoot do you take the safety off, okay?
Wait, so I cannot.
Here, can you record me? Point it. No, point at me. No, stand back, please. Stand back, back. All right. So we got this guy here. Point it over there, boo-boo, so we can show him how far it goes.
It's at 22.
Whoa, this thing is hard. You see it?
Now, can I try shooting it?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to try it. I don't know. It looks pretty cool how you're holding it, but it's on safety right now, so that's why I'm walking in front of you. I know it's on safety. But no, here, how about trying like this? Are you left? Put the other hand on the trigger. The other hand. Aren't you right-handed? And now put this hand right there. Does that feel better?
Uh-huh. Can you try it to 3?
Yeah, but you're not ready to fire it yet, okay? You just wanted to just practice holding it. Okay? Okay, now you're not going to fire it that way. You're going to fire it that way. Okay?
Okay,
so
try not to hit the house.
Aim that way.
Wait, am I going to fire it?
Yeah, you're going to fire it right now. Okay, okay, now when you're ready, just flick the switch.
I'm ready.
See if you can do it. Wait, you have to flick it all the way down. And then get back into position to fire. Do not touch the trigger until you're ready to fire. Do not touch the trigger until you're ready to fire. So start aiming. Okay? Now, don't aim at the gate. Make sure you're aiming at, do not aim at this or that. Aim in between, okay? Alright, try it. Try it again. And shut the ground. Try and hit the tree back there. The big tree. See a big tree? There you go. Good job. That was a good shot. All right, try it again. Try it again. Nice. All right, now put it back on safety. All right. No, we're too close. How'd it feel when you were firing the gun?
Good.
You like it? Okay. Well, yeah, this is... You can play with it, but you just can't be shooting. We gotta set up a target for it, hopefully, okay?
Wait, then hold my Jeep, cause I don't really play with it.
You wanna shoot your Jeep?
I don't really play with it.
Okay. Good job, bud. Nice, you got it. Keep on going. Is that
I
fun?
got the Jeep.
Did you get the Jeep? Good job, bud. Yeah.
I keep getting the Jeep.
You keep getting the Jeep. Is that pretty cool or what? Super accurate. Oh, you missed the Jeep. There you go. Now you got it. Missed it. Missed it. There you go. You got it.
You think Lulu should come over here and see this?
You think she should come see it? Okay, I'm gonna stand where the Jeep is and I'm gonna let you shoot me, okay? In the back.
Why?
Because I just want to see if it hurts or not. Okay?
Okay.
Don't shoot me yet. Alright, this is my first paint test. This is ridiculous. Go ahead. Try it once. Oh, it doesn't hurt. Try it again. Shoot my back. I didn't even feel it. Nope. Oh, don't shoot my head though. It's not too bad. Okay, stop. I can't feel it from there. Alright, I'm pretty sure it hurts if it's closer, but from right there I couldn't even feel it. You're missing the Jeep, bud.
I'm aiming at it.
Nice. That was a good shot. Here, I'm gonna aim at that little target. Try to aim in the middle of the little target.
Did I get it?
Nope. No, it'll mark it. It'll mark it once you get it. It's a little big for him. Oh, I was close, boo boo. Try it again. Try it again. You have it on multi-fire, so you can just hold it down a little bit. Bruno.
I know.
He's gonna lay right there. I already told him to make sure Bruno's out of the way, and you never shoot Bruno. It doesn't hurt though. Bruno wouldn't even be able to feel it, honestly. I just let him shoot me. I didn't even feel it. They explode on impact. Try the target, right in the middle of the target. Hold it down. You have it on semi-auto mode, or you have it on fully auto. Alright, let me try it. Okay, like this. Oh, never mind, you have it. You only had it on single, so.
Can I try?
Oh, you want it on that mode?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He loves it. Nice, I saw one in the middle. Let's go. Okay, now let's go. Here, put it on safety. All right, let's go check out the target.
And then I'll keep trying to get in the middle.
Okay.
Trying the middle one.
Yeah. Alright, this is our target here. Nope, we didn't get the middle. You got 4 points there, 3-pointer.
Wait, am I a 3-pointer?
Yeah.
You're the 4-pointer.
Alright guys, so I don't have good news for this one here. One day testing it, and this is what I did. This is on the second clip, so it's like totally jammed or something like that. And taking this thing apart would be a pain in the ass. So I think that's it. She's dead. That was one clip. I think it's going back to Walmart.